Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's open for example Google Play Store and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address, then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. And now click Get Started and click Use Password. And here you have to enter your password again. And as you can see, my parental control is now bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.